बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful crochet handmade patterns for your home decor. Guys, these are very pretty, these are very stunning and very latest crochet handmade ideas for you guys. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Viewers, these are very trending and super unique handmade crochet collections for you guys. If you want different other crochet patterns, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Guys, these are very amazing. These are very stunning and very beautiful handmade patterns for you guys. Viewers, I am glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well. You guys make these crochet patterns at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet patterns. So guys, must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. And you guys also must tell me about which kind of video you want for my channel and which crochet pattern you like the most. These are very beautiful, these are very stunning and very pretty crochet handmade patterns and ideas for you guys. So viewers, you guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet patterns at home easily. These are very amazing, these are very stunning, and these are very pretty crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, always think positive guys, always be positive. These are very unique, very pretty, very amazing crochet patterns for you guys. So guys, always take care, always be happy, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, these are very stunning and amazing ideas. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.